Tired of watching your savings just sit there, barely growing? Or maybe you've heard about BrioDirect and their high-yield savings accounts, but you're not sure how to get started. What documents do you actually need to open an account with them? It's a great question, and the good news is, it's a very simple and straightforward process. BrioDirect is an online-only bank, which means the entire application can be completed from your computer or even your smartphone. This eliminates the need for a trip to a physical branch or an endless paper trail. So, let's get right to it. Here's the short list of what you need to have on hand to get your BrioDirect account open and start earning a great rate. First, you'll need a valid form of identification. This could be a driver's license, a U.S. passport, or a state-issued ID. Next up, you'll need your social security number. And finally, you will need a U.S. mailing address and contact information. That's it. It's that simple. Now, while those are the documents and information required for the application itself, there's one more thing to keep in mind: the initial deposit. To open a BrioDirect high-yield savings account, you must make a minimum initial deposit of $5,000. It's a bit higher than some other banks, but it's what's required to get in on that excellent interest rate. You can make this deposit by linking an existing checking or savings account from another institution, or by sending a check or a wire transfer. So, to quickly recap, for the application itself you need your ID, your social security number, and your contact information. And to fund the account, you'll need that initial $5,000 deposit. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.